Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Forte versus the Kia Optima. We will explore their key differences, helping you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle. The Forte is known for its compact size and agile performance, perfect for city driving and efficiency. Meanwhile, the Optima, a midsize sedan, offers enhanced comfort and more interior room, ideal for families or longer journeys. Let's dive into the specifics. When it comes to performance, both sedans offer compelling options. The Forte typically provides engines ranging from 147 to 201 horsepower, focusing on spirited efficiency. For the Optima, you'll find more robust engines, generally offering 185 to 290 horsepower, delivering stronger acceleration. Regarding fuel economy, the Forte often achieves around 34 miles per gallon combined, while the Optima typically gets about 27 miles per gallon combined. Inside, both Kia sedans prioritize comfort and technology, but with different scales. The Forte offers about 96 cubic feet of passenger volume, providing a cozy yet functional cabin. The Optima, being larger, provides approximately 105 cubic feet of passenger volume, ensuring more legroom and overall spaciousness. Both come equipped with intuitive touchscreen infotainment and smartphone integration. However, the Optima often includes more upscale materials and advanced driver assistance features, enhancing the driving experience. Finally, let's consider pricing and overall value. The Kia Forte typically starts around $20,000, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking reliability. The Optima, with its larger size and enhanced features, usually begins closer to $25,000. Both vehicles benefit from Kia's impressive warranty coverage, offering peace of mind. Ultimately, your decision will hinge on your specific budget, the amount of space you require, and the features most important to you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.